Good evening. Today is December 2, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, December 2, 2023. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 2, 2023 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of December 2, 2023 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.